sustainable development of this country. Not only this country, with integrity and knowledge levels and excellent. What is that we have done till now to achieve this task? As Vice Chancellor was telling, all these are going to create world-class ecosystem, a sustainable ecosystem for conducting first-rate science and technology. Management has invested nearly 65 crores in improving the laboratories. In private university sector, investing such a huge sum is rare in my opinion. I have invited several academic luminaries from reputed institutes like IITs, IIMs, central universities, IISERs, and after looking at the facilities that we have created, most of them felt jealous. Yesterday, I was going across the institutions, elitist institutions, located in one of the senior most professors of Indian Institute of Science. He was telling to me, Dayanand, the facilities that you have created are unparalleled. Sometimes it is very difficult to have such good facilities in IISc. I could not resist from sharing with you, and these are the words that came from the luminary of this nation. So such facilities and wonderful faculty and together the sustainable ecosystem that we have generated is bound to take Geeta to the global standards.
Shri Sudhanshu Mani, the visionary behind India's semi-high-speed train revolutionary. Shri Mani, a luminary of the Indian Railway Service, has made a lasting impact through his 37-year career, marked by significant contributions to projects, railway operations, research and development, and cutting-edge technology. As General Manager at the Integral Coach Factory in Chennai, he led groundbreaking initiatives and global locomotive projects. Shri Mani began his illustrious journey in 1976 as a trainee at the Institute of Mechanical and Electrical Engineering, Jamalpur. Over the years, he played pivotal roles in railway operations, commercial management, workshops, and projects both within India and abroad. He led advanced locomotive technology projects in collaboration with esteemed global firms including Siemens, ABB, and Bosch, among others. Among his remarkable achievements, Shri Mani conceptualized and realized Train 18, later rebranded as the one.
Welcome to
Ready, Nalla?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yeah, welcome to the entire press and media. We are deeply honored by having Shri Sudhanshu Mani sir with us as the chief guest for delivering the convocation address of the 15th convocation of Geetam Deemd University at Bangalore campus. As all of us know, he is a visionary leader and an engineer par excellence in creating the world-class Vande Bharat Express. And when we requested him to be the chief guest for the convocation, he has very, very kindly agreed and he has delivered an excellent convocation address, as all of you heard just now. I would request Professor Mani sir to give a few remarks and then open up for your questions. Mani sir.
It's my proud privilege and, as I said, matchless honor to be invited to be the chief guest at the convocation of Geetam University. Thanks to Professor Acharya here. And I was also, as I said, very thankful to have met Ms. Leela Sampson, the Bharatanatyam exponent, and Mr. Navanand, the lake man of India. It will also see.
कि आपको सब कुछ आता है, सब जरूरी नहीं है कि सबको सब कुछ आता है, कुछ
सवाल।
ना आना भी जरूरी है क्योंकि आप उससे सीखते हैं। तो आपकी लाइफ में कुछ ऐसे पॉइंट्स बताइए जो आपकी ज़िंदगी का टर्निंग पॉइंट रहा, जो आपको लगता है कि वाकई में वो स्टूडेंट्स को अपनी लाइफ में सीखना चाहिए जो मैंने अपनी गलतियों से सीखा। 4 से 5 पॉइंट सो दैट आई कैन शेयर विद माय
There's so many, but I'll just tell you quickly. When I joined as GM, General Manager of Integral Factory Chennai, so there was the suburban trains door, sliding door not working properly. So I was very new, 5 days, with 3-4 officers, and because I was new, people were curious. Whole crowd have gathered, and we were all checking how the door slides and what was the problem. So we decided something as I was going. So I've written about it in my book. An old man, I say old, I was 58, he must have been, I don't know, he looked old, was an employee. So he told me that Government of India has appointed you to head 12,000 people as General Manager. And sliding doors with 10 people is not your work. Your job is this. He gave me a piece of paper and vanished. I could not regret. I could not find him again. But the paper had a train running at high speed, a sketch train. So I